If your AnyDesk screen looks too small or you want to make the remote desktop easier to use, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enlarge AnyDesk screen in just a few seconds using the full screen option. This is super helpful if you're working on a remote computer, giving a presentation, or just want a more comfortable viewing experience. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're connected to the remote device in AnyDesk, look at the top of the AnyDesk window for the display icon. This is the menu that controls how the remote screen appears on your computer. Click on the display icon, and from the options that appear, select full screen. As soon as you do that, AnyDesk will expand the remote screen to fill your display, making everything much larger and much easier to see. This is the fastest way to enlarge the AnyDesk screen without changing the actual resolution of the remote device. It simply adjusts the viewing mode so you can work more comfortably. If the screen still feels cramped, full screen mode usually gives you the best possible view for browsing files, clicking buttons, or typing remotely. Now, if you want to exit full screen mode, it's just as easy. Move your mouse to the very top edge of the screen. Once the toolbar appears, click the drop-down arrow, then click full screen again to turn it off. AnyDesk will return to the normal windowed view and you'll be able to use it like before. So to quickly recap, click the display icon, choose full screen, and when you're ready to exit, hover at the top edge, open the drop-down, and click full screen again. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple software tips, and I'll see you in the next video.